Hi everyone, my name is Yi Qi and I'm a full-time financial advisor in Singapore. So welcome to my YouTube channel Insurance 101 with Yi Qi, where I will share with you some tips, some information with regards to financial planning and money matters. And what got me started in this YouTube channel is because I understand that most people are busy. So I wanted to break down small little things into a few minute videos so that hopefully by watching them you can actually get to know more about insurance and to better plan for your future as well. So today's topic is about what happens when you stop paying premiums. Recently the market hasn't been very good and I do know of people who are retrenched or they were not able to find a job, so they do have certain forms of insurance, and there might be some insurance that can actually help them to tide through their difficult times. So I wanted to share about what happens when you stop paying premiums. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, so what happened when you stop paying premium? Okay, so today's topic is about this. So what I've done is I've actually distributed this into three different policies, okay, for you to understand more about what happens when you stop paying premium. Okay, so first of all, I will get started from here. Okay, term life. So if you're not very sure what term life is, I'll be putting up another video to explain what the word term life actually meant. So you can stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to catch hold of me and to learn more about what term life is about. Okay. So what happens when you stop paying premium for term life? Okay, the coverage will actually stop, and then the policy will lapse, which means that the policy will no longer be enforced. And if anything happened after that, right? Okay, there will be no coverage, meaning that there will be no payout in the event of death or critical illness or whatsoever. Yeah, so this is something that you have to take note of. So people who buy term plan, okay, they have to monitor very closely to their payments, because if any time the company doesn't receive the payment and the policy lapse, okay, once policy lapse, you have a chance to reinstate it, but the reinstatement is depending on your health condition and also on the underwriters, because they will have to underwrite the entire case again and then to see whether or not they will approve your reinstatement. So that's for term life. The second one is whole life plan. Okay, whole life plan itself, when you stop paying premium, the coverage will continue as long as there's cash value inside for the policy to be deducted. I mean the premiums to be deducted from the cash value. Okay, and then what happens is that it will trigger a policy loan. So as what the term loan indicates, right? Loan meaning that anything related to loan you have to pay back plus the interest. So the interest can range from around 5% to 8% depending on the policy terms and condition, and depending on the company as well. So this is something that you have to take note. So unless you really needed money urgently and then you wipe out your emergency fund, you wipe out your savings, you wiped out and then you have no choice and you needed money, so this might be mean the next best option, but it's not very encouraged to actually loan from the policy. Okay, so just to let you know about the feature for whole life. Okay, if let's say you stop paying premium, coverage still continue as long as there's cash value, and then it will trigger a policy loan. Okay, and the last one will be ILP. ILP, if let's say you're not aware of what it is a short form of investment linked policies. So when you stop paying premium, the coverage actually continues, okay, and then it will trigger a premium holiday. So premium holiday is actually a feature that is very unique to ILP, because the premium holiday means that if let's say you don't pay premium for a short period of time, okay, the policy will not lapse as long as there is cash value inside to deduct the insurance charges. So yeah, so then for premium holiday, there will be no interest incurred, and then you'll be able to take a short break from paying the premium, but of course you still do need to pay after the period of time when you have any financial difficulties. You are still required to continue paying to keep your policy active. Yeah, so that is what I mean by premium holiday. So today is just a short sharing, and I hope that this video will be very beneficial to you, because I do know of I do have clients who actually ask me whether if any of their policies they can actually choose to withdraw some money. So I think there are some misconceptions, and when people are not aware of what their policies are actually, for example, like they do not know whether their policy is an ILP or whole life, because not everyone is aware of what type their policies are. So they might end up incurring a loan which can be avoided if they choose to withdraw their money from the ILP. So yeah, I hope that all this information will be very beneficial to you. So if you have any financial difficulties, you need help, you need someone to look at your policies, to help you to review, and so that you'll be able to get a clearer picture of what you're paying for and also what is your current coverage, feel free to contact me. Okay, I've actually indicated my email in the description box so that you can actually email me, and then I'll be very glad to be able to help you. So yep, so that ends today's YouTube video. I'm so sorry for the late upload because I was actually out today and I only managed to do the video at night. Yeah, where it's quiet and it'll be easier for me to talk and to share with you about all these things. So that's all I have to share today. If you find my YouTube video helpful, beneficial, something different, or something that you do not know, and you have actually learned something from this video, please do feel free to subscribe, share, and then share with your friends, because I'm doing all this for free, sharing free information so that people will have a clearer picture, and they might not, so that they won't make like decision which they might regret in the future. Yeah, so take care everyone, see you next week, stay tuned to my next video, and I'm hoping to actually bring more contents to all of you, and then do feel free to feedback to me if you feel that there is any topics that you'd like to know more of, because I'm always very open to share with everyone. And that's all. Your dreams, my goal. 一起 take care. Bye.